Okay, so today in Wonders, what we're going to do is we are going to work on rereading and learning some different strategies as to why that might help you, or different things you can do to help you understand um, what you are reading. So, first off, I want you to reread A World of Change on page 3 in your um, reading and writing companion. While you are doing that, I want you to um, pause after you read this first paragraph and underline the words that tell you how some natural changes are different from other natural changes. And then as you are rereading this, circle some of the natural processes that slowly change the Earth's surface. Um, Over here, you can write about what happens to the dirt and rocks after the process of erosion. And then we will go to the next page. As you continue reading A World of Change, I want you to pay attention to the diagrams and headings that are in the story or in the text, because a lot of times those um, headings will tell you what the section is going to be about. And if you're trying to figure something out and you see, oh, hey, that might be right here, that is like a quick cheat sheet for you. As you continue through the um, text, I want you to press pause for a minute and read this section again. It's, as you reread this section, I want you to um, think about how fast and powerful fits what's in this these two paragraphs, and just make a little side note on that, and we will come back to that later. And then I would like you to continue reading um, and be ready to summarize this uh, on Wednesday.